Allow them to come down.
We've established the shot already. We'll put our publisher. We won't direct, we won't photograph them. Allow them do their thing. If they do it properly, fine. They don't do it very established shots.
We are here principally to demonstrate our support for Mr. President's action declaring a state of emergency in Rivers State. Our reason is very simple. We believe that the President's action is constitutional, unavoidable, and was designed, or rather is designed, to avoid breakdown of law and order in Rivers State. We are all aware, shortly before the proclamation, the happening in Rivers State showed that the state was aging to the verge of anarchy. The whole arm of government was brought down. Their building brought down. The Supreme Court itself condemned that action and declared the governor as a despot, whose actions were unconstitutional. National critical infrastructures were being vandalized. The governor did nothing. So we are supporting the president for taking the timely, exercising his discretionary powers timely to declare the state of emergency. You are all aware now that calm has returned to Rivers, and the process of healing has begun. It is our hope that it will come to fruition. That is why we are here to express our support for Mr. President. And USA, being a bastion of democracy, particularly the type that our own is pattern on, we are coming to express our support for the President and urge the United States of America to support the President's action declaring the state of emergency in Rivers State to deepen our democracy. That's our mission here.
We are here because there have been a lot of public misconceptions about the action taken by Mr. President and the National Assembly. And we want to set the record straight that the law is straight, that any administrative action taken is valid until set aside by a court of law. Right now, the administrative action that has been taken is the state of emergency that has been declared by the President. And it remains valid until it has been set aside by court. That matter is in court, and it is out of place for members of the public to start deciding upon it. And we chose the United States Embassy because, as we know, democracy, the father of democracy, is a past president of the United States. And we feel that if there is any country that is going to guide us properly as far as democracy is concerned, because democracy is not an indigenous idea of Nigeria, it is going to be the United States.